Hello and welcome to the video overview of the 2010 Year 7 Agriculture Wiki, the Vege patch for McCarthy Catholic College. This year hosted as part of our tasmccarthy.com faculty website. Just add a /ag to the end to get to the site. The site, of course, is a wiki, which means the users are the ones that edit and create the pages. Students will be placed into groups of 2 to 3, and then they'll be given a group number, the login for that group, and the password on a sticker to place into their diary, therefore being able to access this site both at school and at home. On the front page we have all of our main links. We have the help page we've just come from, we have each group page, we have our instructions, and we have some more detailed instructions for a specific part of the site. Each student must log in to use the site. It's set up so only people with accounts are able to access the site, and all edits and changes are logged, so therefore students must only work on their own page, otherwise we will be able to log it and know who's been up to mischief. On the front page we'll notice we've logged in as group 48, which is up in the corner here. We have our page to edit here. Any links in red are those where there's nothing on the page yet. They will change to green after the page has been created. The first piece of advice is to open up the instructions in a new tab or window, so that way you can have it open at the same time as your group page which you are editing. The way this wiki is set up is to have a what you see is what you get rich text interface, which means it works just like Microsoft Word. We have all of the common tools you might expect to find: bold, italics, underline, tables, images, YouTube videos, numbered lists, bullet points, all our justification, links, colors, all the normal things you would expect to find in Word. Throughout the project, each group will be creating a website for their own agriculture producer which they are creating, and the instruction page details step by step the different things they need to include on that page. Within that, for instance, here is step-by-step instructions on how to upload or insert an image off the internet. Each lesson, students should listen to the instructions of the teachers to know which section they were working on this lesson, and then have the instruction page open in a separate tab or window so they can read step by step what they're meant to do. They can then come back to here and type in some text. The editor, like we've seen, works just like Word. Once students are finished editing a section, they scroll down and click Save Page. Any future time that the students are logging back onto the site, they simply click on their group name and then edit up the top, and they'll be able to make further changes, and at the end save that once again. When students get up to the environmental statement, there's a separate page for that because it needs a little bit more detail and instruction. On that page we have an example statement. We talk about the aim of such a statement, we have suggested areas to talk about, and then we have a step-by-step framework set of instructions for writing the statement. There are resources to help you with that on our class page at tasmccarthy.com. More and more of those will be added throughout the term as we work up towards this. It's also the great place to get things like copies of the files handed out in class and to look at videos and things like that. So make sure you definitely use that, and good luck with the project.